attention. Michael, pay attention. This could be like...
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
He's fucking filming.
Okay, so this is glow in the dark.
Hello,
like it's glow in the
I'm
dark.
Johnny Cash.
Yeah, so you can see it at night. You just take this off.
Take it off.
And then you press this.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling around a bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps
Alright guys, let's go in a circle sharing your worst fears. Starting with me.
Here, put him in there.
So my worst fear is being trapped in the woods with myself and you guys, and not knowing what I'm gonna do these next few hours. What about you guys?
I put it underneath something so
Alright.
When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno.
I will be up
Boloka! I'm gonna get fucking right, bro.
That is so strong, dude. Be careful.
Oh, it's really heavy.
If you drank this whole thing, you'd be fucking dying. That's way more than 2 cutties.
Caught that motherfucker, bro. I caught him. This thing's even worse than cut water.
Okay, wait. You guys could have told us that before we collected all this wood, though. No, like we can still use it. We just might have to wait a while.
Yeah, like in the morning.
Or find another spot to do it at. That guy was cider.
What?
You have Asian blood. Where's the trash bag?
What? Oh, it's really red?
Yeah. Alex, where's the trash bag?
I was too afraid to like have that power. It's like too young right now.
What?
Dude, me?
I'm hungry.
I'm scared of the bears.
I spent $10 of my own money that my parents gave me. Listen. Guess who made that money? Guess who made that money? My parents did. Okay, listen. I spent $10 on fucking meat. It's gonna go bad.
Yeah, I worked really hard for that.
Same.
This is too much.
Bro, is it funky or now, bro?
This is all you have left?
Yeah.
Literally pissed in that spot as well.
It's fine, it's fine. It'll go downstream.
Just don't go there. Are you filming this whole thing?
No.
I'm not gonna spill shit, bro. Alright.
Shit, dude. Jamie gave me this, bro. Jamie gave me this.
What is that?
Strawberry Kush.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol.
For
What?
free.
What did you say?
For free.
What did you say before that?
I'm on that good cushion alcohol.
Familiar, yeah.
I have the power of that in my hands. I have the power of $1 million in my hands.
I have your life in my hands, drunk. Your life is in my fucking hands, you understand?
What? Just try it. Just try it. Try it. Oh, he just poured it in, yo. There's no way, bro.
Hold this for me.
Sorry. Here. Thank you. They're going, bro. Bro, I would take your
Be
pants
careful,
off.
Jung.
I would take your pants off, bro. Trust me.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
I know. Put your whole head in. Trust me.
Okay.
Put your whole head in. Trust me. You'll be fine, bro.
Be careful of the rock.
Wait, one more time. Let's do it.
Don't.
Do that shit, bro.
Down.
I won't push your head down, I promise.
I'll put it right here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's just glacier water, bro. Chill. But tomorrow morning we're jumping in there. Mark my words. Mark my words.
Oh no, dry off. Dry off.
Yo, your shoes, bro. He's fucked. Guys, let's all just jump in. Let's all just jump in.
No, dude, he's gonna actually fall over.
Let's just jump in, all of us, right now.
Why is his head wet?
Jung, here.
Cannot dry
I
off.
have a hand towel. I have a hand towel.
A hand towel. Look at this guy.
Okay.
Look at him. Why did you do this to
Let's wait
him?
until the morning. I agree.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Socks?
Sorry. It was an accident. You dropped them in there.
I didn't drop shit and shit.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, what are you doing, bro? Dude, why would you do that on your own, man?
I have dry socks. Are you okay, dude?
How far did you? No, why would you do that shit on your own?
No. Oh, hell. Oh. It's like soaking wet. Ah.
Why? I give you steak for a salad. Where is it? You want me to have this? Do you have anything else? That's it? I'll gladly have it. Hello? Hello? What is this?
Open it.
Which one would you rather have?
Big ass bug.
Grandma wants to make sure you're fed.
Whoa! Bro, what the fuck on it?
Listen to me. I want to make sure you're okay. Grandma cares about you, okay? Sit down. Sit the fuck down. Grandma loves you, okay?
Oh shit, that's gonna fuck out of me.
Daddy loves you.
What's happening, dude?
Careful, all there. Careful. All there.
You're wearing one shoe.
Dude, what the fuck?
Those your actual glasses? I thought it was a part of the costume.
No, it's my glasses.
That's crazy. That's crazy that you know that.
Boo!
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I wish I had some ramen.
Bug.
Fuck, bro. You're amazing my ass.
No.
Amazing me, bro. Stop.
Stop.
Chill, bro.
That's enough. That's enough. Like, we're not getting it.
Trumpet diet, bro. Oh shit. You okay, Alan?
Oh my god.
Chance I
splash water.
Oh.
Oh, it's so cool. It's so much more than last time. Oh shit, we're going like that off the spot.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Are you okay, bro?
Yeah, I hit my hand. Ow.
Yeah, straight up.
Guy going for more.
Redo. Bro, it's slippery, dude. That was crazy.
Careful, slippery. He's going for more. Is it coat?
Splash some water.
How about we all do it at the same time?
No. No, don't do it.
Yeah.
Like afterwards. It's so cool. I thought I was having a shot. I was down there and I was going to the shower. I couldn't swim back up. Oh shit, no. What I thought I was.
Yeah, make sure you don't get the log too wet as you go up. Michael, can you splash some water on that thing?
All right, let's go home.
You're done? Nice.